Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna and eating smart is something we probably all need to do. But lucky for you, Kristi Shive, who is one of the Warren County SNAP educators, has a class all about eating smart.
Yes, that's right, Joanna. And I'm really excited because many of our classes are for a longer length. We have 7 core lessons that we try to get in and teach you, but this is just a 3-part class.
Oh.
So I'm kind of calling it like my boot camp class. I'm going to condense all of the lessons into 3 parts so that you, whoever wants to come, can get all of the information.
And who is this class for? Is there a target audience?
Yes, this class is for, we're trying to reach limited resource families or just anyone who is trying to spend less on their grocery bill, trying to make healthier choices. I know that it's summer and some of us are trying to think about being healthy. Well, that's what we are going to focus on. We're going to focus on making healthier choices, food safety, spending less on our grocery bill, and we're also going to have a lot of fun. So I think sometimes when people hear nutrition, they feel a little bit intimidated, but please do not feel intimidated. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're going to have a lesson at each class. We're gonna have a couple lessons to cover several topics, but we're also going to play games and we're going to make some healthy recipes, and you will get to go home with some incentives.
Oh, now incentives. We all like incentives, and these, these are probably stored in our office, but they're pretty cool.
Yes,
Kristi.
they are. These are our new measuring cups that we got from UK this year, and they're really cool because they're collapsible. So, like you said, they don't take up too much room in your cabinets, and so these are just a few of the incentives that you might get to take home. We have a veggie brush and a veggie peeler, really good for those vegetables and fruits that are in season. We have some kitchen tongs. We all need a pair of those. We have some measuring teaspoons. And then we have some
pot holders.
Pot holders. And then this is a colander that you can make sure that you are properly washing your fruits and vegetables. So that's going to go along with our food safety lesson. And the point of all of these incentives is to encourage anyone to come, but also so you feel confident to go home and work in your kitchen after we make the recipe in the class.
Yeah, and have some kitchen tools to be able to do that and measure properly.
Yes.
Now, Kristi, you brought along some cereal here.
Yes, so one of the topics that we are going to touch on is reading our food labels. And I think the food label is something that many of us pass up on whenever maybe we grab a soda or we grab some chips. And we are eating more than what the serving size recommends. But we also need to look at the ingredients list so we know that if we're choosing a cereal, we're choosing a cereal that is full of nutrients. For example, this cereal, it looks fun and it's colorful.
Very attractive for children.
Yes, very attractive for children, but it is basically made of all sugar. And so this bowl right here is the proper serving size that the box recommends, and this bowl is what I think many people would pour for themselves.
If not more.
If not more, exactly right.
Because we usually don't have these size bowls in our pantry.
We don't. These are pretty small bowls. And I feel like this is just such a good eye-opener because so many times we do not look at the ingredients list. We don't look at the food label. And so that's one thing we're going to really touch on. We're going to try to if you have a goal, we're going to try to reach that, whether if you're wanting to think about losing weight, whether you're wanting to eat more fruits and vegetables, we're going to try to encourage you to reach those goals.
Do that. All right, so when's this class offered?
So this class, the first class is Thursday, July 26th, and it's at Community Action. We're partnering with them. It's at the 171 Center Street location, and you are going to RSVP by calling 270-782-4437. If you have any questions, you can always call me at the Extension office.
Okay, so make sure you do need to RSVP for this class.
You do need to RSVP. Yes.
All right, but there's no charge.
No charge. It's completely free. Yeah.
All right. Well, Kristi, I think this sounds really good. Now, when you're pouring your cereal this morning, remember, let's look at the serving size. But if you have any questions about this class or any others that are offered at the Extension office, make sure to give us a call. We'd be happy to help. And Kristi and Nan always have an exciting list of classes that are going on. So give us a call or follow us on Living Well in Warren County or Warren County NEP. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.